The goat testicles in actual sense didn't do anything. Your body sees foreign tissue and it attacks it. The goat glands would actually just die and get absorbed or cause an infection. Any man who felt better after the surgery was experiencing actually a placebo effect. They believed it worked, so they felt like it worked. But some men didn't feel better. Some men actually got really very sick. At least 42 men died from infections after surgeries, and Brickley signed every single one of their death certificate himself. The American Medical Association had been watching Brickley for years. They knew he was a fraud. A doctor named Maurice Fishbane made it his mission to take Brickley down. He wrote articles calling Brickley a quack, a charlatan, and Brickley fought back. He went to radio station and called the AMA liars. He said they were jealous of his success and they were trying to shut him down because he was helping people they couldn't help, and a lot of people believed him.